Hello, everyone. I'm going to share a third video with you. For those of you who missed the Zoom meeting held on the 23rd Monday, um, this video is going to show you how to edit the wall group so that you in turn can add door and window openings to it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. So at this point, from the last video, all your walls should be grouped together. So if I select the surface inside here, all right, that opens the group. This closes the group. I'm clicking outside here. Good. So in order to add these door and window openings, we need to make reference to the existing floor plan. So let me share that with you. Okay. Now, the existing floor plan is actually giving you the sizes of all of the doors, okay, except for this bifold door here, which is given in the instructions contained in D2L. But back to this entrance door, we see that the door is actually 3 feet wide by 6'8" in height. In fact, all of the doors are 6 foot 8 inches, that is, in height, okay? And of course, the bathroom door is 2 feet, and then these bedroom doors are 2 foot 6 in width. Okay, cool. When you look at the instructions in D2L, okay, it's going to tell you that all of the windows are 3 feet in width and 5 feet in height. You can actually locate the window openings by using these dimensions here along this wall here. Okay. These windows here are not located for you. However, the door is centered about this wall, okay, being 3 foot wide. And then these windows this particular window is centered between this point here and that point there. So that should give you enough information to actually locate this window after you have located the door. Okay, good. So let's go back to share. And let's go back to Google SketchUp. Alrighty, now here's an important factor. In order to add these window and door openings to these grouped walls, you have to be inside the group for editing purposes. So we're going to select the group again. Good, select it this way. It's open. Now we're going to right click. We're going to go to edit group right there. Okay, that puts you inside the group, right? So now you can actually add these door and window openings to the walls. All right, and you could tell that you're actually inside the group for editing purposes because now the perimeter or the box area of the group has become these hidden lines. Okay, that lets you know that you're actually inside the group for editing. All right, so now that we're inside the group, here's what I'm going to do. Okay, this is the front elevation. So I'm going to add this entrance door. Okay, I'm gonna use a line tool. Okay. And I'm going to establish, okay, give me a reference at the midpoint. Yep, I'm at the midpoint right there. So keeping it on axis, I'm going to make the height of that door 6 foot 8. Good. Then I'm going to use the line tool, keep it on axis. Half of 3 feet is 1 foot 6. So I'm going to do that, 1 foot 6. You can also use the rectangle tool once you have a reference point. Okay, good. And then I'm going to just escape out of that. So still in the line tool, I'm going to come over here, keeping it on axis, zoom in a little bit, keeping it on axis, 1 foot 6. Good. And I'm going to, okay, draw that line. Then I'm going to use the erase tool to erase this line that I really don't need anymore right here. Good. So now I'm going to check, and now I'm going to use the push-pull tool right here. Okay, and yep, have a surface, have a face or a surface there, have a face there. All right, so then I'm going to push this in slightly. Okay, well, it went all the way through, so I didn't have to push it slightly. Okay, so I just pushed it. I pushed that surface, that face, until I got a clear opening. Looks like this. Oh, as I open it around. Okay, I seem to have a little line down here that I don't need. Let me see if I can erase that without causing any problems. Good. All right. Good. So now I have a door opening. The head of the windows and the top of the doors are at the same elevation. So what I'm going to do here, let me just measure that to make sure. The height of this door should be 6'8". Yep, 6'8". All right. So what I'm going to do now is just give myself a reference line because I want my window head height to be at the same head height as the doors are. So I'm going to use a line tool. Come over here and I'm just going to draw a line there. Good. And then that window is centered from here, so I can use a line tool here. Okay, find the center point there. Where that's the midpoint right there. Good. And the window is keeping it on axis. It's 5 feet. Good. And then it's half of 3 feet. It's 1'6". I'm doing that again. Okay. And here. All right. Still using the line tool. Come over here. Okay. Oh, let's do it from the bottom. Line tool. 1'6". Whoops. I wasn't on axis, so let me control Z out of that. I keep everything coplanar on axis. Okay, there we go. 1'6" on axis. Cool. All right. Now I can erase some lines that I do not need, which is like this line and this line and this line. I'm gonna try the other way now to push pull. Now I just want to push it in slightly. There we go. Then I want to type in 6 inches. Good. And that just cleared up, that eliminated that surface, leaving me with an opening. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Using the line tool again. Okay. Okay. Line tool. 5 feet window. Okay. On axis, 1'6". Okay. 1'6" on axis. Try that again. Good. And up here. Good. Line tool again. Let's again. Let me start from the bottom. Be easier, I think. 1'6", half of 3 feet. Okay, line up to here on axis. Good. Erasing these lines that I don't need anymore. Okay, push pull. Yep, there's a separate surface. I'm just going to push it in slightly. And then I'm going to type in 6 inches. And I have an opening. Excellent. Okay. So now I've created the entrance door opening and the 2 windows that are flanking it as well. Now, all of the windows are going to be 6'8", right, above the floor. So you can use that information, and the information contained on the existing site plan to add the rest of the windows in, including any window that you have specified for your addition. Okay, any window and door that you specified for your addition. Okay. Okay. So now let's see. I think I want to share something else with you. Let's see if I can get it quick. Okay. Let's go new share. Let's go here. Let's choose this. Okay. Good. Now, if you go to here's the breadcrumb. Okay, learning materials, weeks 11 through 15, final project. 3D model, project 3D model instructions, okay? We're actually down to, let's look at item line 10. Okay, select the group, right click and select edit group. That's just where we are. Okay, this puts you inside the group for editing. Add the wall and door openings using the rectangle tool or line tool. Okay, and the push pull tool. The head height of all doors and windows is 6'8" above the floor. See the existing floor plan, I should say, for the width of the existing doors. The width of the bifold door in bedroom number 1 is 4 feet. All existing windows are 3 feet by 5 feet. Okay. Use your window and door schedules to determine the size of the new windows and doors in the addition. Okay. So after you've done all that, okay, and you have all these openings created, then you're going to create a folder in your documents folder, and you're going to name it AT123, and you're going to save the Google SketchUp model file as Kitchen Edition model to that folder. All right. So let's get back. Let's stop my share. Good. And that concludes part 3. All right. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Take care.